Want to make sure your purchases go through quickly? Here's how to add your credit card to Temu. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Payment Methods or Account Settings. Select Add Payment Method and choose Credit Card. Enter your card details including card number, expiration date and CVV and save them. Adding a credit card helps speed up checkout for future purchases. Let me know if you prefer using a credit card or another payment method on Temu. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.